Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I will share with you how to install the Smart Life app and configure compatible devices such as the smart temperature sensor and humidity, door and window sensor, 3-way smart touch switch, smart plug and mini smart switch to make your home really smart. And note, all this will be done in less than 12 minutes. Let's get started. Kindly subscribe if you've not done that already, and also press on the notification bell. This way you will always be notified whenever I upload new videos. Okay, let's unbox our sensors quickly. We have the door and window sensor. This is the magnetic side. We have the double-sided tape that you can stick. Now we have the temperature and humidity sensor. We unbox it quickly. This is how it looks like, very cute. Okay, good. We also have the double-sided tape for it that you can stick. This is really the pin for reset, and then the double-sided tape. You can stick it at the back of it, and then you can position it at any point within your house where you want to measure the temperature. Okay, we have the smart plug. We unbox it quickly. Okay, this is how it looks like, very nicely designed. Okay, we have the DIY smart switch, really small, that can stick, or let's say you can insert at the back of your switch. Right, so let's wire the touch switch quickly. Is there a non-neutral type? So we have the circuitry that you need to connect parallel to your load. So I grab the wire quickly and then tie this end together. That's the live wire, and then the neutral wire as well. I plug the live wire in position and then screw it. Okay, it's firm. I twist this section together again and then screw it back. Okay, great, it's done. We put them together quickly. Okay, so position it quickly for demonstration purpose. Okay, so this is the neutral. Sorry, this is the live wire. I connect it to the live, which is L. And then this is the switch wire. I connect it to L1. For now, I'm applying only one load, which is the lamp for demonstration. We have the bulb. I will fix it so that we can turn it on and off to see how it works. Okay, we install the Smart Life app quickly. You go to your Android phone and then you type Smart Life. It appears. I've already done the installation, so I open it. You need to install and then create an account. Okay, clicking on it. For our first device, I scroll down. This is the manual way of installing, and then I click on the switch. We have two modes. We have the easy mode and then the AP mode. We will do the demonstration for the easy mode. I long press one of the button for 5 seconds and then it inserts into the easy mode, and you can see how it's flashing. It's flashing faster. I click on next and then I select the quick flash, or let's say blinking quickly, and then wait for some time. Okay, we can see that it's connected, and then we have all the 3 switches here. I can then test it by pressing on the switch 3. It comes on. Switch 2, and then switch 1. That's where our lamp is connected, and then the lamp comes on. I turn them back off. And I click on edit. Let me delete this side so that we can do a test for the second mode, which is the AP mode. Okay, so to demonstrate the AP mode, I long press any other button again for 5 seconds, and then it starts flashing. This is the easy mode. You can see it's flashing faster. I long press it again the second time, and now you can see that it will start flashing a bit slow, which is the AP mode. I go to add a device and then select the device type, which is the switch 3 gang, and then move to next again, and then next, and then I need to select the blinking type, which is a bit slow now. Okay, now this time it's creating a hotspot and I need to connect to the hotspot, so I click on the Smart Life device and then I click on connect only this time, and now connected to the device through the hotspot, and we can see that it's able to configure, and now I can do the same control just as I did before. Perfectly working. Great. We now move on and set the door and window sensor. So I open it up. This is the top side, slide it to your left, and then we connect the batteries. It use AAA batteries. Okay, I click on device, add device. I scroll down and select sensors, and then select the door and window sensor. Click on next, and now I need to reset the device so that it will move into flashing mode to be able to be configured. Don't press it for 5 seconds, and we can see that it's flashing faster, which is in the easy mode. I select the quick blink, and we can see that easily it has been connected as well. Yes, configuration done. I click on OK, and because the magnetic switch is not close to it, it's indicating that it's open. And now close it. I open it, and you can see it has been detected, and I close it back again, and we can see that it's moved to the off position. Okay, we now move on and configure the temperature sensor. It also uses the AAA batteries. Cover it up, and now move on to the app. Go to add device, and then select sensors, and then I'll look for the temperature and humidity sensor. Move to next, and now I need to reset it. So I hold the reset button down for 5 seconds, and then it starts flashing. Good. We can now move on to next, and then select the quick flashing because we are doing it in the easy mode. Now it's detected quickly. Good. We have the temperatures and then humidity readings. We have the history, and this is our temperature reading 33. Now let's move on and configure our plug, the smart plug. Okay, I plug it in, and then look at the LED status. It's flashing, indicating that it's in the configuration mode. And now move on, go to device, add device, and then move on and then select the smart plug. Click on next again, and then click on next again. Select the flashing type, and now it's configuring done. Really easy and simple. Now we need to look at the interface. Okay, good. So we have the plug. I can turn it off, and we can see the LED has gone off. Turn it back on. I turn it off and then apply a bit of load. So I add my phone and then connect the charger to it. Turn it on, and then we can see that it's charging. Okay, finally we do look at the wiring of our mini switch. This is the lamp switch. I connect it to the L out, and then the neutral of the output, that is the lamp, I connect it to the N out. And then our live wire are connected to L in, and then the neutral to N in. Remember, the S1, S2 is when you have any potential free contacts that you need to use to control. Okay, I power it up and then test it. You can see that the button can turn it on and off. I hold the button down for 5 seconds and then it starts flashing and moves into the configuration mode. I select device, and this time I'm going to use the automatic detection, and then you can see that it has automatically detect the device. So I click on add and then I select next, and it starts to download the configuration. Configuration done, and this is how the interface looks like. I click on the one, and then we can see that it's working perfectly. I click on it again, it goes back off. Great. We've been able to configure all our devices using the app. In the next video, we will look at how to do automation in this app. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.